This is a great visualization of what a GitLab pipeline can look like. You can see here, and you're probably already familiar with this if you've checked out the other videos, that the first thing that I'm doing is a simple Flake 8 test or lint testing on the code itself to just make sure that it is adhering to best practices out there for the code itself. So I have 3 different tasks, one for Python, one for the YAML code, and then one finally for the Ansible playbooks themselves. We're going to be using Trivy to scan both the file system and the container itself looking for CVEs. And if it finds any, it's going to fail the pipeline and not allow us to go on so that we can remediate those things within our container. Now, the dynamic part of this pipeline and this repository that I've created is that as I add additional playbooks into that Ansible playbooks Linux directory, the pipeline will automatically pick them up. And then all of the stages where it's appropriate, they will be dynamically tested. So in the dry run stage, they will be dynamically tested as they're added. And then in this end-to-end testing stage, they will be dynamically added and executed against the target clone VM that we've created as part of the pipeline. So as we look at running operations at large scale, and this is something that I live and breathe every single day, wherever we can reduce the possibility of human error, the better off we are. And this is a working example of something that you could perhaps adopt within your organizations to be able to reduce human error, reduce the mean time between, or actually increase the mean time between incidents, reduce the mean time for resolution, because if you have an automated way to go out and fix something that maybe somebody did fat finger or did manually change that is in non-compliance with your environment, you can use this framework to then go out and both detect those changes as well as remediate them automatically.